Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's my face!
Ta-da! It's my face! And the voice behind all of my voiceovers. It might be a little bit lower today because I am struggling a little bit with a cold that I caught from my daughter, which, you know, that's motherhood just right there. So today we are making a 2024 card as I tell you what my New Year's resolutions and goals for this channel and for my Instagram is going to be. No by year. Ooh. Okay. Sounds really scary right now. But since this is year 2 on YouTube for me, and year 1 was spent a lot with building up my stash, and as you can see, it's a really big mess, and some of the things I haven't even opened that I bought because there was sales and then I didn't get to it, or we were suddenly out of that holiday. Oh my gosh, all the Christmas things that I purchased. So that will be a thing. And I will give you all that information as well as we go ahead and make this card. But I just wanted to say hello. This is my face. I don't like being in front of the camera. I am a newborn photographer. I am always behind the camera. It's really hard for me to be in front of it, which is why I tend to just do voiceovers with my lovely hands there. So here and there, you might see my face throughout the next coming year. It's not one of my goals because I don't know if I really want to do it or not, but I might show it off here and there as I'm organizing my space, which is one of the goals. So let's go ahead and get started with that card, and I'll let you know what the rest of my goals are.
Alright, so while I make a New Year's card, I am going to talk about some of my 2024 goals for my YouTube and for my Instagram. One of them being the no buy year. What that means is that, both myself and my entire family, we are not purchasing anything frivolous. We're not purchasing any wants. We're just purchasing needs. So a lot of that is going to affect my crafting because I won't be purchasing anything new. There are exceptions for this. So one of the exceptions is adhesive. That I consider a need because if I run out, I can't actually put cards together. So what that looks like is glue, tape runner, foam tape, that kind of thing is a need. Another one would be white cardstock. Since I do probably 99% of my card bases in white cardstock, when that runs out, I will need to purchase more. Now, I do have a good stash of that, but if I do run out, then I'm allowed to purchase that. And then the other thing is organization tools. So if that's containers or shelving units kind of thing, that I'm allowed to purchase because another of my 2024 goals is to get my craft area under control where I can actually find things, where I'm not knocking things over, where I'm not searching for where did I just put that item. It definitely is a major goal for me. I want to make sure our space actually works for not just me, but my family, because the craft room is also my husband's office when he works from home, and my daughter's craft area as well for when they do their painting and putting things together and that kind of thing. So I want to make this room more functional. So another goal of mine is to upload at least 2 YouTube videos a month with a stretch goal of 4 to 5 videos. I feel like the 2 videos a month is very I should be able to do that kind of thing. I know some months get a little bit busier than others, but I want to stay consistent with this channel, not only so that it grows, but just so I'm inspiring, and this is for me as well, that I'm making sure that I'm taking time to do things like crafting because I love it so much, and it kind of is my happy space kind of thing. And so when they talk about your self-help kind of mentality, crafting is that for me. And so I want to make sure that I'm setting out time to actually do that. On that, I would also like to do a Christmas card throughout the year series, where on the 25th of each month, I do a post or a video of a Christmas card that I'm making. I got super behind this year and I purchased a bunch of new things that I didn't get to use because it didn't come in time, or I just ran out of time. It was only Christmas. And I want to make sure that I am kind of staying consistent and working on that throughout the year. So on my Instagram, I am part of a Use Your Stash group that will be posting every other Tuesday. It's all about using what you currently have in your craft room, which I felt was fantastic for what I wanted to do this year. So I am going to try to be as part of that as many times as I can. My goal is at least 10 times that I participate, with a stretch goal of 15 to 20. There's a total of 24 opportunities. So I felt like that was a good mix. I don't want to get super overwhelmed, but I want to make sure I am posting regularly. So the other thing is that I'm still part of Kendra's card challenge inspiration team. So this is year 13, 14, 15, and 16. And I want to do at least one set of cards for each quarter, with a stretch goal of 2 to 3 for each quarter. Now, do I see myself doing 2 to 3 every single quarter? No, because, time and things get away from me. But my focus is always doing at least one, participating in those design machine challenges. I'm going to be a guest designer for a couple things, so that's exciting. And so I just want to make sure that I'm staying consistent there and, really utilizing the fact that I am on a team. I want to be a good participant in that. So another thing that I want to work on is having one scrapbook layer a month, either a post or a video. I'm so behind on the girls' scrapbooks that I need to actually set aside time and I'm going to scrapbook instead of making a card, which I feel is a good balance, because again, I can use the mixed media, I can use my embroidery that I'm going to be trying, and I can use the paper and the stashes and the dies that I have to make some beautiful scrapbook layouts and then show you guys as well. So I'm really excited about that. Plus, I feel that way I kind of catch up with the girls' scrapbook a little bit more. Another thing is that I want to utilize my Cricut for more things. If I don't have a certain die for a certain shape, I can use my Cricut. I need to get back into that mindset because I love using it. And it's something that I need to work on more because that was a good investment and I want to make sure that I'm utilizing it. And then another goal is using my mixed media. So my husband actually got me the embroidery die set from Spellbinders for Christmas, and I'm really excited to learn how to do that. I always love crafting and learning new things, and I want to take you guys along on that journey. I've been watching so many YouTube videos. Jennifer McGuire is like the queen of how-tos. If you have any card techniques that you want to know, go to her channel. She's amazing. So for stitching paste, I want to actually use my watercolors. My goal for 2024 is to grow with my techniques and just get better at those things and actually use them. If you can't tell, 2024 is the year of use my stuff and actually really get proficient at it. And then my last goal is to actually count my cards and keep a tally so that at the end of the year, I actually know how many I've made. I made quite a few in 2023, just Kendra's Card Challenge alone, 15 times 4, we got 60 there. And I did some of those sets more than once. So I know I made a lot of cards. I have no idea how many. So I would like to keep tally of that this year, and I'm doing that with an app that is called Counter. So it's just a really simple free app. You can mark a couple different things. One of the things I'm counting is cards. Another one will be YouTube videos and Instagram posts. I just want to, again, make sure that I'm staying consistent and utilizing the social media platforms, there we go, that's the word, that I actually have. And I want to make sure that I'm really repeating myself, but participating in those kind of aspects, because I really enjoy doing these crafting projects and really learning how to do the new techniques and all that kind of stuff. And so I want to make sure I'm setting a time to do that and staying accountable. That's the word I'm looking for. So those are my goals for 2024. I'm hoping that around June, July, I'll probably do another video where I look back at this video and kind of go, where have I done well? Where do I need to keep working on? And like, am I making my goals? So kind of like a mid-year check-in. And then at the end of 2024 or the very beginning of 2025, I will be, again, going through this video and these goals to make sure that did I actually accomplish this, so that I know for 2025 kind of what my goals should be. Now, if you are doing a no buy year, I would love to know what your goals look like, or what your goals for 2024 even look like in general, even if you're not doing a no buy year. One of the reasons that we're doing that is because we have some big purchases that we want to do this year. One of them is a minivan, because we want to grow our family. And right now, if we decide to grow our family, we don't have the vehicle space for it. And then just a couple other purchases kind of thing. We just want to get ahead of our savings account again, pay down some bills, just the general things. Now, does this mean that I will never buy anything? If someone, we got birthdays and Christmas in there, so those are exceptions. But if I'm given a gift card or I'm sent something for my design team, I'm going to, of course, utilize it, and I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to try to be honest here, especially with my mid-year check-in, is did I buy stuff out of my own money? And if yes, like, what's the reason kind of thing? Like, was it actually a legitimate reason, or was it just a really good sale? So I will see you guys in some other videos. This is that card. It came out so pretty. Lovely little shaker card. Let me know what you think about seeing my face. Be kind. I'll see you in the comments, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. I hope you guys had a great 2023, and here's looking to 2024. Bye.
Okay, super shaky. I don't know where I'm supposed to look, so it looks like I'm looking at you, not the cam. Right there. Is that where I'm supposed to look? Ooh, okay.